first set of the morning. If you look over the top of my head, all the way down there to the bar of this tree line, that's where the gravel road is. We located coyotes at daylight right there. They were over the top of this hill right here. It's a big valley right there. We're going to ease over the top of this. It's set up as soon as we top this hill and kind of fall off the other side. We're gonna set up, try to call. As usual, I start the stand with a series of lone howls. This one is MFK Sexy Little Bee, and I'm playing it on the Fox Pro MFK Edition X24. Less than 2 minutes after the last howl ends, we notice a coyote pop over the hill. I think I see him. I see him. I'm on him. He's gonna do what? Let me see what he does. Hold on. Hold on. It hangs up and sets down, so I give it a few seconds and then go into a new sound called MFK Female Breeding Growl Chirps. This immediately triggers the coyote, and he's on his way. Here he comes. Yeah, I'm on him. I'm on him. Woo! I think it went down right there. He's down.
Oh, he's really down.
That's a new sound, or fairly new sound we've been killing off of. It's female breeding growl chirps. Actually pulled the coyote in right off the top of the hill with MFK Sexy Little Bee. Female invitation howl. How far do you think he was when you shot?
When I shot 70 yards.
And he couldn't have been more than 30 yards off the call when you shot him.
Shotgun.
He was just gonna run over it. Well, there was another one here, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know if I got it on camera. We just called up a second coyote, and it got downwind of us, which we really thought this set would be potentially busted right off the get-go. But
heels whipping the wind around.
Yeah, the wind is blowing almost straight back down. Straight back down our draw that we planned on calling out. Our only hope here was to have a coyote above us that would come in off this north side, north side of our wind, and that's what happened. We got that one killed. The other one tried to come up from out of the draw, and of course as soon as he got up even with us, he smelled us, and that was it. But we got one out of the deal.
Took 3 damn shots.
Drag him up. We'll look at him right quick and try to go get them other ones we got located. Derek, Dalton, and Dayton, and I've been on the camera this trip.
Hadn't done what I was supposed to do.
Yeah. Yeah, run over the call. I mean, the coyotes, when you shot the coyote the first time, you can see Derek in the background. Going to, well, I guess he's headed, he's walking, he's getting right there right around the call right now.
I'm looking at the call the first.
Just above him.
25 yards from the call.
Yeah, and still coming.
About now where the coyote is, where the first shot, and the call's just right above the lip right there.
It had him triggered like you want. I mean, that was a
Ticket.
textbook as far as him blowing in.
Which sound was that?
Female breeding growl chirps is the one he come in on, or the one he broke off the hill.
Yeah.
Run over the call. The howls, pretty sure that was Sexy Little Bee that I played right off the bat. Coyote popped out initially right under the sun, come from straight out of the east, and we had a north wind blowing right back down this draw, and the coyote was enough above us.
Was whipping around this hill.
We purposely put that call way out. Well, I say way out, it's probably,
Yeah, for us.
yeah, probably 60 yards above us just because of this wind. Put it out north and east of us. And it worked. Got that coyote to come in above us.
It's a little bit of out of our normal doing this.
Yeah. I'll stand up while they're dragging that coyote back.
And
Kind of show y'all how we come in on this deal. We stopped just before daylight out here. Right over, that's a giant hill, and it's about a half-mile out to the gravel road. We stopped on that gravel, howled using a group howl called MFK Group Answer, and they lit up, answered that group howl, and we actually thought that these coyotes were gonna, and I guess they were, part of them anyway. We actually thought they were up this draw. We thought we could get by. I mean, we've never been in here before. This is strictly blind setups. We thought the way it looked on the map that we would get in here and the wind would be blowing above this draw, but that wasn't the case. We got in here, got set down, and I really thought it would be a busted stand. And we decided, well, maybe the coyotes would be a little deeper and above, and luckily that one was. So we topped the hill, sat down right here, set the call up upwind of us, let out some little bee lone howls. Coyote popped out, sat down on the hill, so I kicked on a sound called female breeding growl chirps. And the coyote triggered to it and come tearing in. Is it a male coyote or what is it?
looks like a male, but he is, I'm sure it is, huh?
Yep.
Yep, male coyote.
Another male. That's the third male in a row. All right. we're gonna go get after it. To get the sounds, any of the stuff, mfkgamecalls.com is a place to do that. And if you want to see us killing and learn about the sounds we're using, all the good stuff, just subscribe to our channel, MFK Game Calls on YouTube. It's the one you're watching right now. We're gonna go try to kill something else. Y'all come with us.